Hello everybody, today I'm reviewing this compact light from Manker. The model name is E05 version 2. It's a cool little light that I think can run on any AA sized cells. A quick wrist check as usual. Today I'm wearing a watch made by Bowl Company and I will review this later on my channel. So specs and dimensions. It's 3.6 inches or 91.5 centimeters long and 0.8 inches or 2 centimeters in diameter. It's a very compact light. It has a deep carry pocket clip, a tail switch, and the light is made of aluminum. I think they also have one in titanium as well. Here is a printout, some more specs. If you need, you can pause and read through it. So there are two different LED options to choose from. One has 800 lumens maximum lumens and it has a warm 4000K color temperature of Nichia 519A emitter, which is a high CRI LED emitter. The other one has 1300 maximum lumens and has a cool 6500K color temperature, for which I couldn't find the emitter name. I have the Nichia 519A option because I like warmer tints and high CRI emitters. I'm not sure if the other one has high CRI emitter, but I'm guessing it does not. For those who don't know, the higher the CRI emitter, the number, the truer colors the light will show when used. Usually 90 and above is considered a high CRI. The natural sunlight has a CRI of 100. So what I like about it, I like the size of the light. It's very compact, it fits in my hand very well. It's slim, which is very good for pocket carry. I like the deep carry pocket clip. It's very nice to have it from the factory. I like the design. It looks interesting to me. I like how they mentioned the aluminum on the light. It's like from the Mendeleev's periodic table of elements, and this is one of the elements this light is made of. It makes this light look more interesting to me. It's good to have an option of at least two emitters to choose from. You can choose a warm white LED with high CRI or a cool white LED option with lower CRI. Also, I wanted to mention that this light has a forward clicky switch, which means that you half press the switch to cycle through the modes and then fully press it to fix it on the mode you chose, and you cannot change the output level once it's on. Another good thing about this light is that it can run on regular alkaline AA cells, nickel metal hydride cells, and 14500 lithium ion cells. So in an emergency situation, you won't be limited to just one type of cells. You can use whatever you have or whatever you can find out of these options. Also, when you use a 14500 lithium cell, the output levels become higher than using alkaline or nickel metal hydride cells, and it's good to have that option as well. I run mine on nickel metal hydride cell because I can recharge it, and it has more than enough power for my regular use. The last thing I'd like to mention is the build quality for the price. I like the build quality of this light. It feels very solid. There's nothing that feels cheap about this light. Listen, I don't know if you can listen to this, if you can hear this. But there is no squeaky or grinding noise, so it feels very high-end to me. I bought it on sale for about $20 US. The current price on Amazon, I think it's around $33, and which is still very good price in my opinion. What I don't like about it, the light has a memory mode. It starts on the last mode you used, but I like when a light always starts on the lowest mode, so this is a negative for me. Maybe I can add that there are only 2 LED or color temperature options available for this light, and more options would have been better. Apart from that, I really don't see anything else that I don't like about it. It's like almost perfect light for me. Let me show you a closer look of this light. So this is the aluminium Manker E05 II. Oh, there is a space for a tritium vial here. You can add that if you want. The pocket clip. So this is low, medium, high, low. It's a nice little light. And the tail button is very good. It's not very easy to press, but not very hard, so you won't turn it on accidentally. My final thoughts: it's a great little budget light that is well made and well priced, and I would definitely buy it again. Thank you for watching. Until next time.